Jerome Powell, chairman of the Federal Reserve, goes after crypto. You will not need crypto if we launch the digital dollar, Powell said. As the United States considers ways to govern the crypto world, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell recently stated that if the United States developed a digital currency, there would be no need for crypto. Powell stated that the Fed is examining digital payments ranging from crypto assets to stablecoins, which are pegged to a traditional currency such as the US dollar. These payment channels have reached a tipping point in terms of appropriate regulation, Powell said CNBC. Powell suggested soliciting public feedback on the utility of a central bank digital currency, CBDC, and the associated costs and advantages. Powell appears to be leaning towards a digital dollar, similar to the digital sand dollar released earlier this year by the Central Bank of the Bahamas. According to Powell, one of the more compelling arguments for the U.S. Central Bank to establish a digital currency is that it would eliminate the need for private alternatives such as cryptocurrencies and stablecoins, which may be volatile and difficult to control. Powell agreed during a recent congressional hearing that having the Fed issue a digital currency would be a more viable option than having many cryptocurrencies or stablecoins emerge in the payments system, according to U.S. News. I believe that may be the case, and I believe that is one of the reasons advanced in favor of digital currency, Powell stated at a hearing before the Financial Services Committee of the United States House of Representatives. That is, you would not require stablecoins or cryptocurrencies if you had a digital US currency. That, I believe, is one of the more compelling arguments in its favor. We have a quite robust regulatory structure in place for bank deposits and money market funds, for example, Powell explained. That does not exist for stablecoins at the moment, and if they are to become a substantial part of the payments universe, which we do not believe crypto assets will, but stablecoins may, then an appropriate regulatory framework is required. CBDC will be the dominant force in the game. Governments may simply prohibit Bitcoin on the grounds of money laundering and criminal activity, responded Waleed at Real Street on Twitter. And just as that cryptocurrency came to an end at Dragonfly Trade, one tweeted. Brandon at Brandon on Themoff questioned the viability of a digital currency in the United States, saying, "Yeah, like people are going to put their faith in the government again." Cryptocurrency enables anonymity and minimal to no government supervision. Lol, these guys have no idea. We created cryptocurrency in order to circumvent your fraudulent central banking system. At Eddie Towers 777 remarked at Astra. According to Al Jazeera, two large research projects are ongoing to determine whether the U.S. central bank should begin minting digital money. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology's, MIT, Digital Currency Initiative is collaborating with the Federal Reserve Bank of Boston on a digital money experiment termed Project Hamilton. According to the Boston Fed president, a future Fed coin would combine the functionality of Venmo and Apple Pay. Additionally, there is the Digital Dollar Project, a collaboration between the nonprofit Digital Dollar Foundation and the consulting firm Accenture plc, to study the practical procedures necessary to establish a CBDC. According to Al Jazeera, proponents of a digital dollar claim that a whole-of-government strategy may move forwards on a coordinated framework with multiple routes. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents.